Hello, guys. This video will show you how to sign up for GPT Chat without having to use a phone number in a simple and quick way. To use GPT for work as well as to learn knowledge. First, you can open the web browser, Google Chrome, or any other web browser. You can also use your phone to sign up. Then type from GPT Chat and press enter to search. The search results will appear. You choose to go to the chat page at openai.com to log in and register for a GPT Chat. After entering the web of GPT Chats, two login and sign up items will appear. Login is to log in when you already have a GPT Chat account. To register a new account, select sign up. It will take you to the account creation page. Here, you can enter the Gmail name you want to register in the email address box and choose continue. But so you don't need a verification code when you sign up with Gmail, as well as a phone number, you choose to continue with Google. This way, you need to log into your Google account in the pre-installed browser. You can also use it with Microsoft or Apple accounts. Next, show up with your Google account to sign up. If there are several Gmails, then you click select one Gmail you want to register, as if you have one Gmail, so you will click select, and then it will appear to be using your Google account to log into OpenAI. To log in, choose continue. For now, you just name your GPT Chat account and enter your date of birth, then choose to agree to sign in. When logged in, it will appear like this to use, you choose OK. Let's go. Now you can chat, ask any questions you want to ask or know about a field, write questions, chat, and it will answer them. To create a new chat, you select the new chat, and it will show a new chatting table. The same as above, you can ask other questions as well. It's a guide on how to sign up for GPT Chat without an email authentication code as well as a phone number. If you see or like, share and subscribe to a channel to watch more videos. Hello, and see you again.